The skills you can quickly learn largely depend on your interests, background, and the specific field you're targeting. Here are some skills that are generally considered valuable and can often be acquired relatively quickly. Basic coding and programming. Start with languages like Python or JavaScript. Online platforms like Code Academy, Khan Academy, or Free Codecamp offer interactive coding lessons. Digital marketing. Learn basics of social media marketing, content creation, and SEO. Google's Digital Garage and HubSpot Academy provide free courses. Graphic design. Familiarize with tools like Canva or Adobe Spark for quick designs. Tutorials on YouTube can help you understand design principles. Data analysis. Learn basics of Excel or Google Sheets. Platforms like Coursera or edX offer introductory data analysis courses. Copywriting. Improve your writing skills and study persuasive writing techniques. Platforms like Skillshare and Udemy have courses on copywriting. Video editing. Start with simple video editing tools like iMovie or Shotcut. YouTube tutorials can guide you through the basics of video editing. Language learning. Pick up basic conversational phrases in a new language. Apps like Duolingo or Babbel make language learning fun and easy. Customer service skills. Enhance communication and empathy skills. Online platforms like LinkedIn Learning offer courses on customer service. Presentation skills. Practice public speaking and creating engaging presentations. Toastmasters International offers resources for improving public speaking skills. Basic SEO knowledge. Understand the fundamentals of search engine optimization (SEO). Moz and Google's Search Engine Optimization SEO Starter Guide can be helpful. Remember, the key is to focus on skills that align with your interests and career goals. While you can get started quickly, proficiency often comes with practice and experience. Additionally, networking and real-world application of these skills can significantly enhance your learning and career prospects.